How to teach humans, between brackets, with machines. That's the title of this, this talk. Yeah, I don't say too much about it now at this moment. My question that I will explore in this hour is the following. How to develop digital learning devices that enable people to learn better and faster. So this morning I told about this cube with 3 dimensions, etc., and the focus on my preference for a focus on effectiveness of education at the micro level on the primary process, and that this is exactly this. So I want to think about how we can use ICT. ICT is another word for machines. In this case, how can we use machines to help people to learn better and faster? And that learn better and faster is for me a kind of way of saying that it's more effective. You can measure the effectiveness in many different ways. This is not the topic of this keynote, because there's a lot to say about how the measurement of effectiveness. But it's not about creating more access to more people or to create better learning management systems or whatever. No, just look at possibilities to stimulate better and faster learning. So to work this out, I have these 3 sub-questions. How do humans learn? Because you can only answer this question when you exactly know how humans learn. And the second one is, how can you help humans to learn better and faster? And the third one is, what are the implications for the development of digital devices? Of these 3 things. The first one is the most difficult one. How do humans learn? Nobody knows it actually, but we know a lot of it in about 100 years of research and a million years of thinking about this before. but not enough to give a definite answer of learning is organized in humans in this way. That's too complex, but I will try to give you I do an attempt to define this. So the word digital devices, digital learning devices, what does this mean? Why don't I use the word hardware, software, applications, apps, whatever? The first thing you think about when you see digital devices is these things. Computers, mobiles, tablets, all these things you can carry around and put in your lab or in your